masustansya at malusog na tanghali sa lahat. Actually, nagutom. Actually, this month is the Nutrition Month. Kung hindi ninyo ito na ulinigan. And what a fitting way to sort of commemorate Nutrition Month by launching a project that actually addresses the whole issue. No? As Pastor mentioned, LIFE is LCF intervention for food, nutrition, security, and empowerment. So let me just give you a brief context of the operational side to this. Next slide. PPAN, Philippine Plan of Action on Nutrition, as Pastor mentioned, already identified ano ba talaga ang problema. Ayan ang problema. 1 of every 4, 0 to 5 child is stunted. Okay. But what I want to call attention to is that map on the other side. That's where the priority areas are. 34 provinces out of our 83 or so provinces. Yung ating kasama ngayon, si Governor Jim of Basilan is number 9 in that list. Hindi yan sila rank according to severity. Basta nandyan lahat, may challenge talaga. So what is life? Okay, next slide. As Baste also mentioned, the solution is known. This is not something that we have to reinvent actually. The Philippine Plan of Action on Nutrition already identifies ano ba ang general intervention. Tatlong component lang, nutrition sensitive, ito yung mga livelihood, food production, food access, water, and etc. that has to be present to also help address nutrition. The second one is the nutrition specific. Pag talagang may problema sa nutrition, kailangan mo mag-feeding, food supplementation, complementation, and we're talking of the first 1,000 days, it is about pregnancy. Ensuring that the pregnant woman is provided with the necessary intervention. Foremost of which is having 4 prenatal in the course of 9 months. Better if 8. Pero kung 4, okay na rin. And there is the required vitamins and minerals. The third, which at most of the time nakakaligtaan yung tinatawag nating enabling interventions. Let us remember that the whole issue of nutrition is a local issue. Devolve po ito sa ating mga LGU. So, the front line really matters a lot. So, ito yung sinasubukan buuin ng ating LCF. No? Next slide. Next slide, please. So, first is we decided and agreed that several LCF groups will go to Basilan. Basta talk about kailangan i-bend natin yung curve. So that's why we're going to Basilan because Basilan has started to bend the curve, meaning improving the situation. And we want to help also in ensuring the momentum is sustained. Yan po yung characteristic ng province with respect to nutrition. Credit to Governor Jim for really and his leadership team, including the mayors, to own the problem as well as do something concrete to address the problem. Next slide. This is where we are now. We started with 4, then it became 6. Today, there are 8 groups that have agreed to work together in Basilan, addressing all the 3 elements, nutrition specific, nutrition sensitive, and the enabling. What they will do essentially are outlined there, but we got that covered. Our challenge is to get to as many towns as possible under, of course, with the guidance of Governor Jim and his leadership team. Sapat na ba ito? Ang sagot mo dyan ay kulang pa. Maganda na, ngunit kulang pa. Sapagkat kailangan pa natin ng iba pang mga kasama upang mabigyan talaga ng kaukulang pansin ang lahat ng aspeto ng pag-address sa issue ng malnutrition, lalo ng stunting, at to cover the critical number of LGUs in Basilan. Napaka-bigang hamon or challenge, but all the parties agreed to do this. So, Jollibee Group, Metrobank, Assisi Foundation, Pilipinas Shell, Manila Water, East West, Ayala Foundation, and Knowledge Channel have agreed to work together on this matter. Next slide, just to give you an idea of what is the sort of runway for all of this. What is different, siguro masabi natin in life, is that we go the entire life course. We just don't do one aspect of the entire life course of a child, but we will go all the way from pregnancy to 5 years old, up to school age, so that when they go to grade 1, handa na po sila. So nakatumpok din ito sa agenda natin sa Education Commission, na kung saan ang malaking hamon sa ating edukasyon, yung kalidad ng ating mga mag-aaral sa grade 1 to 3 na hindi pa ho marunong magbasa at magbilang. So what each one will do is outlined there, and we will all endeavor to collaborate, coordinate, and partner with the LGU so that all this will really happen on the ground to a point where it can already be self-sustaining. Okay? So, next slide. Let me just end with this. It was not easy to come together, but we have come together already. And I think working together in the immediate future is really a challenge to all of us. But, you know, hindi tayo pwedeng magsabi na pwede na. So we will start with one province, but we will not end with one province. We will have to move to the rest of the target of the Philippine Plan of Action on Nutrition. So, in a nutshell, that is life. And we would like to thank at this point our Secretariat for helping us all put together these things. Maraming salamat kay Celine at sa lahat na bago pang sama-sama lahat. Maraming salamat po.